Tat. Techno AirTrack. The most trusted HVAC company in Chennai. Keeping you cool. Expert AC solutions from Chennai's trusted HVAC pros. Installation experts. Seamless setup for lasting performance. Ductwork specialists. Perfect airflow. Maximum cooling. Maintenance and repair. Fast service. No more breakdowns. Emergency services. Quick reliable cooling solutions. System upgrades. Energy efficient cooling is easy. Thermostat installation. Smart climate control at your fingertips. Tower AC solutions. Powerful cooling for large spaces. Cassette AC. Discrete stylish cooling. VRF systems. Flexible solutions for large needs. Variable refrigerant volume. Variable refrigerant flow. Chillers. Efficient cooling for industrial spaces. All brands, all models. We sell and service every major brand. Tat Servicing. Stay cool, stay comfortable. Contact Techno AirTrack for all your AC needs.